Okay, I want to take a quick look at number 17 on page 289, in part because it's similar to some of the questions on homework 6.4. All right, it says a salesperson earns a base salary of $2,000 a month plus a 10% commission on sales. The salesperson's monthly income, I, in dollars, is given by the function I of S is equal to 0.1 S plus 2,000. If you think about it, 0.1 is the decimal equivalent of the 10%. So here's the commission part of their salary, and that's their base part of their salary. So they would make $2,000 even if they had no sales at all, if that makes sense. Okay? But they make more depending on how much they sell. All right, where S is the sales in dollars that the salesperson makes. So sketch a graph to illustrate each situation used. Okay, and this is your equation just to use as a reference. So this equation creates this line, okay, both here and here. So let's do situation A. It says the salesperson's base salary is increased. Well, the salesperson's base salary is your y-intercept. So right now it's at 2,000. Let's say that the base salary gets increased to 2,200. Okay? What that would create, that's not y'all's bell. What that would create would be a line with the same slope, but the line would be shifted higher up on the graph. Okay, B says the salesperson's commission rate is decreased. Let's say that their commission rate goes down to where it's only 5%, which means that the slope would be half of what it is originally. So in this case, you would get 0.05 S for your slope instead of the 0.1 plus 2,000. So this time the y-intercept, the 2,000, remains the same. Oops. But the slope is going to be flatter. Okay? So instead of 10%, you only get a 5% commission. So hang on, let me graph that. Okay, so there's the idea. Same y-intercept, but a flatter slope because they're making less money on their commissions. Okay. Now, I want to mention your homework assignment. There is a similar problem, and what they're asking you to do is write. You don't have to solve the equations. What they're asking you to do on 9, 10, and 11 is write an equation. So the original one is f of s is equal to 4,000 plus 0.15 s. If the commission is lowered to 5%, then g of s is going to be whatever the new equation would be. Okay. If you take the base salary and double it, then you're going to write a new equation that tells you how much they're going to make, and you're going to call it h of s. Okay. And then on 11, if the salesperson's base salary is cut in half and her commission is doubled, then give me an equation that's going to show that situation and call that k of s. And then 12 asks you to graph two of those lines. Okay, so you're not trying to solve because you don't know how many months have gone by and that kind of thing. Okay, but they do want you to write the equations, so please do that. I will be in my room Wednesday morning if you have any last minute questions.